Now, these two falsification tests were falsification tests of the past. Now, you'll ask me, Brother Zakir, today I want to prove the Quran wrong. How can I prove it wrong today? Can I do it today? Yes, everyone has a chance. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 82, that for the believers, the closest to the believers are those people who say that we are Christians. And the furthest away, the staunchest enemies are those who say we're Jews and pagans. The Quran says the staunchest enemies of the believers are the Jews and the pagans. And the closest to the believers are those who say we are Christians. As a whole, the Quran is talking as a whole. There are many Jews who have accepted Islam. There may be few Jews who are better than the Christians, but as a whole, the Quran says the Jews are the enemies of the Muslim as a whole. And the Christians are closer. Only thing to prove the Quran wrong, now all the Jews of the world, they get together and they plan. Okay, let's be good to the Muslim for a few years, or 2-3 years. Better than the Christians. Quran is proved wrong. So easy. All the Jews of the world get together. For 3-4 years, we'll be good to the Muslims. And then we'll say this verse of the Quran, Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 82, is wrong. They will never do it. They will never be able to do it. Easy.